How to get an activation code for Lloyds Bank account. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get an activation code for Lloyds Bank, which is needed to activate your online or mobile banking. So first, visit the Lloyds Bank online banking registration page at www.lloydsbank.com or open the Lloyds mobile app. Begin the registration process and enter your personal details, including your account number and sort code. During registration, Lloyds Bank will send an activation code via SMS to your registered mobile number. This code helps verify your identity and secures your account. Once you have received the code, enter it in the provided field on the app or website. If successful, you will be prompted to set up a password and memorable information to complete registration. And that's it. You have now successfully registered for Lloyds Bank Online Banking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.